everyone, so welcome to Discovering Natural. If you've not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. Today we are doing a DIY curl defining cream, and I'm collaborating with my Crown of Curls, and her channel is wonderful, is beautiful. She is a gorgeous lady from the Caribbean, and she does a lot of videos like DIYs, hair tips, everything natural hair, even product review. She's gonna do her own DIY, so please make sure you go over and check out her channel. To create this curl defining cream, we'll start by making the gel, and to make the gel I'm gonna boil a cup of water, and after boiling the water I'll be adding in a quarter cup of flaxseed gel. Now you could use aloe vera, you could use any kind of DIY gel that you want. So when the flaxseed has started boiling, when you see foams forming on top of the water, that is when you know that your gel is ready. It's so simple to make. And then after you've done that, you can now strain out the foam, and that is the gel. So there are different things you could strain it out with a pantyhose, cheesecloth, anything. Now remember, if you want a stronger hold in your curl defining cream, make sure you make a thicker gel versus a lighter gel that I'm making here. So next I will be melting my shea butter, and I'm just taking about, I want to say this is about 3/4 cups of shea butter, and I'm just melting it halfway, not fully. So after I've melted it halfway, just halfway, I will be adding a tablespoon of castor oil to that, and I will also be adding a tablespoon of vitamin E oil for moisture, to make my hair or whoever's hair more moisturized, and also lavender oil to that mixture. So after you've mixed everything together, all those oils together, you want to also add in your flaxseed gel to that mixture. Now you're gonna mix it all as best as you can. I'm using just my hand mixer, whipping it together. But you can use a blender or whatever. So I'm going to keep it in the freezer for about 15 minutes, and just to kind of make it a little bit stiffer, and then I'm going to whip it even much more. You can freeze it a little bit more, but 15 minutes is the amount of time that works for me. And after that, just pour it into the container that you want it to be in, and your DIY curl defining cream is ready. You can see that mine has a lighter texture, almost like a milky texture to it. If you want it thicker, you can make it thicker. It's really up to you. So next I'm going to be testing this out on my daughter, just doing a simple rope twist out on her. So start off by spraying her hair. Her hair is already moisturized, but I just want to spray it with more water, and then I'm adding the gel to it, or the curl defining cream, and you can kind of see how our hair looks. It's really nice. Our hair loves this stuff, and especially for drier weather, this is really good. So we're going to just twist up our hair and create twist all over our hair, and you can see this helps with frizz. So if you get frizzy hair, this curl defining cream will help you out, and it also gives a great shine. So if you're someone that your hair lacks shine, you can try this DIY curl defining cream. So we let our hair set overnight, and the next morning we worked vigorously together before she had to go to school, and this is the result of using our curl defining cream, and we absolutely love it. If you guys want to check this out, if you want to try it out, please do give it a try. And thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in another video. But also make sure to check out my Crown of Curls, and she created some wonderful leave-in conditioner and other stuff for your hair. So check it out, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.